Okay, so welcome back to the channel here. Today's video is more of a PSA, more of a last call to those of you who are currently in the market for a new phone. The average price for a new phone in the US is $823. So if that's kind of where your budget is, well, guess what? You can actually get the best phone made in 2023 for that price. And of course, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S23 ULTRA. There's been some amazing Black Friday deals, and I want to make sure that I share it with you. I will have some links in the description, so make sure to hit those links if you want to go ahead and take advantage of these Black Friday deals. Again, like I was saying, the S23 ULTRA is the phone of the year, right? It's been voted in the tech community. Everyone knows that this is the best phone of 2023. And to those of you who at first thought, well, I don't want to drop $1,200 on a phone, or $1,200 or $1,300, depending on which one you wanted to buy, well, this is your chance to get it for about $899, I believe, if you want to go ahead and buy it outright. But if you go ahead and trade in another phone, you could get it for, much cheaper. So check out those links in the description. One is going to route you to Samsung. The other one is going to route you to Best Buy. One thing that I always say to those of you who are unsure whether they want this phone is you have that grace period, right? If you have your money, you have your budget set, and you want to go ahead and, make sure that you don't miss out on the deal, order the phone, play with it for 14 days, and then you can return it and get the whole money back if you don't like the phone. In fact, you can keep it safe. I typically tell people, just to be on the safe side, order the phone or the device, whatever it is, play with it for 10 days. So you still have that 4 days, 4 days as a buffer, right? You play with it for 10 days. If you don't like it, just toss it back to Samsung and they will refund your money, the entire thing, right? No questions asked. Specifically Samsung. I know with Best Buy, it's the same thing too, but sometimes they calculate those days slightly differently. So I'm always telling people, try that with Samsung, because Samsung is known, if you don't like it, they'll just give you your money back and you just send them the phone. Again, if you were waiting for the best deal you can find on a smartphone, this is it, right? You get to grab the best phone made this year at a price of the regular phone, right? Again, make sure to use those links in the description. And of course, this is the best phone of the year because of a number of reasons, right? The phone is so well optimized. It's super powerful. You have this S Pen here that can allow you to be more productive. And of course, you have Samsung Dex. To those of you not familiar, that's that program that pretty much makes your phone, well, it turns your phone into a computer, right? Where you have a desktop, you can toggle in between a bunch of things, a bunch of windows, and pretty much work as if you were on a computer. And you have, of course, this camera, top level camera. That 100x zoom is just out of this world. The battery here is top notch. So good. This is a fantastic phone. I challenge you to do additional research. Go do research, look it up on YouTube. You will see that it's unanimous that this phone is the best phone you could get your hands on. So again, if you happen to be in the market, this is the last call. I can already tell you that Samsung has been adjusting some of its deals, right? So if you want to grab one, make sure to hop on one of those deals. If you want exclusive colors like this one, like the red or the blue or the lime, and they also have the regular colors. But if you want the exclusive ones, you can only get those from Samsung. So that'll be the link at the top. And with Best Buy, the deal there is you buy it outright for $899. Whereas if you go with Samsung, you could trade something in and get, that price, cut down, because Samsung always has these crazy, trade-in credits that they like to, give to people who are buying Samsung devices. Anyways, let me know what any questions you may have in the comment section, of course. And if you want to get more details about this phone, I've made, full reviews of this. I've even compared this against my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So make sure to watch those videos if you want to go ahead and watch those videos first before pulling the trigger. But like I said, you can always order it and return it if you don't like it. That's always a very good option. I'm pretty sure manufacturers won't like that I say this, but I just would like for you to enjoy what you buy, right? So if you want to go ahead and see what it feels like to use this phone, just buy it. And if you don't like it, toss it right back. And then you can move on to whatever phone you want to go ahead and buy. But anyways, I'm going to catch you in the comment section like I mentioned. Make sure to like the video, share if you know anyone who will be interested. Make sure to subscribe also if you haven't done so already. I will catch you in the next video, of course. Up until that next video, of course, as always, stay safe out there.